Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to set up a project in React and the folder structure of the project. So first of all, before creating the project, we should have Node and npm installed in our system. In my system it is pre-installed, so let's check the version of Node. So I am currently using Node version 12 and npm version 6.13.4. Alright. So for creating a React project, we should type the command npx create React app and the name of the app. Like I am giving here my app. Alright. So it is loading all the necessary modules which is required for creating a React app. It is going to take few minutes. So for now I am pausing the video. When it is installed, then I will start it. Alright guys, now it is coming to an end. It is installing the necessary modules like React library and React DOM. Alright, so it is installed. Let's see the content of this folder. Okay, my app folder is created. Let's go inside that, my app, and let's see its content. So we are having three folders: node modules, public, and as source. So node modules folder contain all the necessary node modules necessary for the project, and in source folder we are going to write all our code. Alright, so let's first start the server and let me show you how it looks. For starting the development server, we should write command yarn start, and it is going to start the development server. Alright guys, so this is the default code which is written in the folder. So let's delete all of these and write our own code. Alright, so let's go inside source folder and first see what is written inside that. Alright, so we are having here some JS file and some CSS file, and along with a logo of React. So the file mostly which is of use is index.js and app.js. App.js is a component and index.js is a main JS folder. So let's see the content of index.js. Alright, so this is the content of index.js. It is including the React DOM, these two libraries, and then it is importing the app component which is being exported from the app component folder file, and it is also including that CSS file. After that, it is rendering that particular component at the place of root ID which is inside the index.html file. Alright, so now let us delete all of these and write our own code. Alright, so now source folder is deleted. We are going to create a source folder and along with index.js and write our first React program. For creating a folder, mkdir and the folder name which is source. After that, let's see, source folder is created. Let's go inside that cd source and let's create a file inside that with the name of index.js. Alright, so now our index.js file is made. So let's write the code. The first line of code is we have to include the React libraries. So for including, we need to write import React from React. After that, we have to include the React DOM library. Alright, so we have included the React DOM library. Now we need to render some content on the browser. So for rendering, React DOM library is used. React DOM.render, it contains a method named render which is used to render, and it will suppose render app component, app file, function offset. So we will write app function later, but how to replace the content of root with app is we can do it like this way. Alright, so now we are going to replace the content of root id, which is for a div, with app function. So let's write our own app function app, and it is going to return. For now we are just returning a h1 which is saying hello React. Alright, so it is going to return h1 with hello React written around it. Okay, alright, it is fine. Now let's save it. Alright, so let's see, index.js is created. Let's see its content, index.js. Alright, it is fine. We are including the React library. After that, we are including the React DOM library. Then we are creating a function which is going to render hello world h1 whose content is hello React, and then we are going to render this app function at the place of root id. Alright, so now let's start our development server. So for starting, last time I have used yarn start. Now I will do the same with npm start. And see, hello React is rendered on the browser.